Make him
All right. Go on. No. So go on now.
tip Oliver. Tip him now.
Oh, tip. Me forgot. Now, will you please to move your cactus and tip it or straight out through the door?
We can sleep sideways or head to head.
It's very really up to here. What you up to? You really take this thing of your honeymoon practice.
Oliver, give me a kiss now.
No, make me back on it. What wrong with Boy, you good one in fear?
With what?
Last night, me and you dance. I just get up and left me song and dance with the long maga boy. It hurts me, man.
It hurts you.
Anyway, forget about that. That's a last night business. Hey, no. You see when the whole people them did crowd me around? Mm-hmm. You don't never believe what happened.
What?
The whole of them say how me look like Mike Tyson. Up in the autograph.
You're too nice.
Serious thing. Hi. You see how long we sit down here so and a source of water the man can't come give it?
I notice.
Look here. Why we don't go on like we're foreigner and speak with twang? That way then we can conserve it quick. You can't talk with twang?
We will try.
No, you can't say that way. Say, I'll try.
I'll try.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah! Ready for order though, sir?
Look, man. You know how long we've been sitting here waiting on you and you coming to us since I read to order? At least let me look on the menu. What happened? I just get up out of bed, you know. I should have the chance to look at the menu properly.
Mr. The man over there so miserable, see man.
Which man that?
See him over there, some man.
Oh, you mean the big head, round head one?
See them over there for over 1 hour and then make up in mind that we're order.
I saw them man they see man. I saw them like serve them people, you know.
Over there, try twang. What you rushing me for? If I never want thing this morning, if I never want lose the little work, I'm going to see twang in there this morning and see who I rush who. You want a pedigree?
No man, just cool man. You can't make a man like that make you lose the work, man. It's easy, man. Hey, he look like him ready for your order. You better go to him.
Hey, you watch me and him with the twang. You see who can twang from who can twang today.
Yeah.
Ready for order now, sir?
I can't even make up my mind, man. I think you better take my wife's order first.
Ready to order now, ma'am?
I'll take an egg omelette. Okay? Make that a big egg omelette, all right?
Well, it depends on which one you want. 2 egg or 3 egg. Or you could have a little of everything. Or you could have the Spanish omelette with vegetables.
Oh, that sounds good.
You can kill me. You
Tell
gotta kill me.
me.
Sorry.
Tell me, how do you do it? Broiled, fried, or scald?
Anyway, you want.
I tell you what, I'll take an egg omelette, a big egg omelette, okay?
Score.
Scald, all right. What you say, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you having, sir?
Well, I'll take the porridge. Give me the cornmeal porridge and some sardine and 2 slices of bread. I'll do bread.
No. Listen, we don't serve them type of food upon the menu. We don't serve Jamaican food. Tell me something. You Jamaican?
Of course I'm not Jamaican. But you see where I come from, there's so much Jamaicans in West Indian there, and I always hear the Jamaicans talking about cornmeal porridge and ardo bread. So give me that.
Tell you what we can do for you, sir. We can serve you a hot bowl of cereal plus a tuna sandwich.
I does not want any cereal. I said I want cornmeal porridge and ardo bread, and that's what I want to get.
Look, sir, that's not the upon the menu.
Let me ask you one question. You don't serve local food in here?
Yeah.
We just don't have that on the menu.
Well, let me tell you something. Get me the monitor. Call Bill. I said to call Bill.
Oliver,
You don't
don't
understand.
create.
I don't want to understand nothing. I want you to call Bill.
We don't want to
Oliver,
serve this. It's just that
don't
we
create
serve
a
that.
scene. Let's avoid the embarrassment. My God.
I'm not afraid of embarrassment, you know. I can't be embarrassed when you come on to my food. I said to call Bill. Oh,
Good morning, sir. What a beautiful day. Are you enjoying your breakfast?
are I enjoying what? You see any food in front of me?
What's the problem, sir? How can we please you?
Will you please me by please to serving me, please, sir? Let me ask you one question. You don't serve Jamaicans in here?
Oh, but we do serve Jamaicans, sir. It has always been a policy of this hotel.
So you're calling me a liar? His untruth me telling. Call back the waiter. I said call him back because he was right here, so I him serve with the water and don't bring us the bill here.
This has got to be a misunderstanding, sir.
No misunderstanding at all, sir. This is a blatant case of discrimination and exploitation.
Of course.
What happened? Not because me look so. What you think? You don't think that I can eat into a hotel, sir?
Sir, with due respect, let me remind you that the payment of your bill is complimentary.
I travel all over the world, you know. I travel all over the world and eat in all sorts of restaurants free, from Kentucky Fried Chicken to Buckingham Palace. And I never get this sort of treatment here. Let me ask you something. You don't serve residents here?
Sir, we have never refused to serve residents. And furthermore, as a resident myself, I empathize with you. This sort of behavior cannot be condoned.
Hey, you are resident? Master not talk so many people here, yeah. And in any event, you wouldn't understand, you know. Because anywhere you go with your high collar, you will never have no problem to get anything.
Well, let's not get personal now, sir.
My personality is quite okay, you know, sir. When I done with you, you see, I go and report to all the radio program them on radio and in all the scandal paper them.
Certainly you wouldn't allow this small incident to be the cause of a national discussion on the mass media.
Me wouldn't allow it. Your hotel couldn't afford it. Because you know, so when them the people that done with you, you know, he's bury them when go bury you.
Sir, how can we compensate you for this embarrassment? Sir, as a distinguished guest, can we offer you the special recreational package? Horseback riding, scuba diving, use of the exclusive pool, sauna, the games court.
So wait. Is buy you or buy me out? Is bribe you or bribe me?
Oh, no, sir, nothing of the sort.
Well, when I don't report this a hotel to CNN, ABC, NCB, BBC, LQP, what is another one?
ZQI.
Sir, what about the presidential suite, sir? And all meals?
Free of charge?
Free of charge.
Now you're talking my language. Waiter!
Waiter!
Waiter! Service air! How?
Hey, you sure everything went ordered upon the tray then?
Yes, man.
Hmm.
One buckle of wine.
Hold on. What the order?
Right on the top pocket.
All right. Come. One on.